back to Young Engineers. Today we have this massive snowman, thanks to our friend Brian. So we have to add the details like nose, mouth, arms, buttons, and we have to also colour it. So let's begin. Added the scarf was just an old coat that we got. Just used the sleeve of it. We cut it in half, just cut off the thing and just cut it in half and just laid it out. We used the nail gun to get it in, so it's beautiful. And we painted him and we used a heat gun just to dry it off because we weren't gonna wait. And now it's time to use black for the hat. Now I have to make sure how I want it to look. So I'm going exactly here. I'm just going to hold it and draw small thing, not too seeable though. So you can see it, but okay, and the mill's there. So I've all that, the mill's there. So that's the middle of our nose. So I'm going to be spray painting this nose. We have this lovely silver bronze here. So let's spray paint it. I'm going to get my spray paint. So I'm just going to put some glitter on it so it's nicer. Okay, that's enough glitter. We have some nice red glitter to add on. So now I'm just going to drill the hole. Beautiful button, so I think I'm gonna have it a bit here. Oh Jesus. I'm just putting it in a bit so I can hold it. And I'm gonna have someone hold it for me. And then I'm gonna have it, the glitter's still falling off. I'm gonna have it there. So I have it, hold it down, and now I need the drill. And now reach for it. So now it's time to put in the eyes. I'm thinking of it going there. Pretty sure I just like it with that much eye. Little teeth. And now we're going to spray paint these because it's kind of annoying that they're like that. So we need our black spray paint. And, okay, one. Just doing it all around. So this is the ending of our project. We just put some clear spray paint on it just so it's like, so it doesn't break, so it's like more durable and the spray paint doesn't rub off. So thanks again to Brian for this snowman so we could do our project. So if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you want, you can even comment. So bye!